Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Cut out the factory front frame support crossmember and any obstructions in the work area. Once you have removed your crossmember, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Then, paint the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Hold your part up to the frame, using the factory crossmember silhouette to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your replacement front frame support crossmember to the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!